Imagine waking up one day, and the cash in your wallet no longer works. No error, no warning, just locked out. This isn't science fiction. This is already happening, quietly. And by 2026, the way you use money could change forever. In this video, I'll explain what a cashless society really means, why banks and governments are pushing it, the risks nobody talks about, and how smart people are preparing before it's too late. Stay till the end. This could protect your financial future. Section 1. What is a cashless society? A cashless society doesn't mean money disappears. It means physical cash notes and coins slowly fade away. Instead, everything becomes cards, mobile payments, digital wallets, online transactions. In the US, many stores already say, card only, no cash accepted. In the UK, cash usage has dropped sharply in just a few years. This isn't sudden, it's gradual, and that's what makes it dangerous. Most people don't notice. Section 2. Why banks and governments want it. Let's be honest. Banks and governments don't push changes unless they benefit. Here's why they want a cashless system. First, control and tracking. Digital money leaves a trail. Every purchase, every transfer, every habit. Second, cost reduction. Printing, transporting, and securing cash is expensive. Third, tax enforcement. Cashless systems make it harder to hide income. Fourth, policy power. In a digital system, access can be limited, delayed, or frozen instantly. This isn't fear-mongering. These are documented realities, and most people never think about the consequences. Section 3. The hidden risks nobody talks about. Let's talk about what rarely gets mentioned. Risk number 1. Account freezes. If your bank account is flagged, even by mistake, your money becomes untouchable. No cash backup, no alternative. Risk number 2. Power and internet dependency. No electricity, no internet, no payments. Your money exists, but you can't use it. Risk number 3. Loss of privacy. Every transaction becomes data. What you buy, where you buy, how often you buy. Privacy isn't gone overnight, it erodes quietly. Risk number 4. System failures and cyber risks. Glitches, hacks, outages. When everything is digital, a single failure affects millions. Cash doesn't crash, servers do. Section 4. Who wins and who loses. In a cashless future, the winners, banks, payment companies, governments, people with strong financial literacy. The losers, the unprepared, elderly users, low-income households, anyone living paycheck to paycheck. This isn't about rich versus poor. It's about prepared versus unprepared. And preparation is a choice. Section 5. How smart people prepare. Smart people don't panic. They prepare calmly. Here's what they do. Step 1. Diversify access. They don't rely on one bank or one app. Multiple accounts, multiple payment options. Step 2. Keep emergency cash. Not for daily spending, for resilience. Cash still works when systems don't. Step 3. Improve digital money skills. Understanding, online banking, security, fraud prevention. Ignorance is the real risk. Step 4. Avoid full dependency. They never let convenience replace control. Technology is a tool, not a master. Section 6. Final warning and message. The cashless future is not good or bad by itself. What matters is how prepared you are. Most people will react late. Smart people prepare early. This video isn't telling you to fear the future. It's telling you to understand it. Because financial freedom isn't about money alone. It's about control, access, and choice. Outro CTA. If this video helped you understand what's coming, like it helps more people see this message. Subscribe if you want practical money knowledge, not hype. And comment below, are we ready for a cashless future? Because the future doesn't wait.